Oh, she loves it like that. Muscle car, baby. Okay. So today, I'm back here with Jose again, doing a simple one today, hopefully. It's just a stainless steel clutch line, so we'll see how that goes. These cars suffer from these stock lines here. They're made of plastic, and under high heat, you can feel it in the clutch. So I'll be on like 95 for 30, 40 minutes. I'll press in the clutch and I get a ton of resistance. And I'm pretty sure it's because these things are routed around the headers. They get really hot and this plastic line squeezes and you can feel it in the pedal. It's the lowest down here.
Probably don't have to pull it out.
Let me get this on there. Safety first. Once you do the top side, you're gonna come underneath, and this is the guy you want to get off next. So you have a rag, right? Because that's gonna squirt you in the face. Oh yes. My car just splooged. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna want to fish it from the top. We're double splooging right now.
Alright. Yeah, it's probably good.
Okay, now we are gonna go back down and we're gonna pull the stock line out of the car. Oh yeah, dude, she's splooging out of that hole something fierce. This side's gonna go back into the transmission side. This side's gonna go into the firewall. Just putting in that little dinky metal clip back into the plastic piece. When you guys do this, you're also probably gonna want some more .3 brake fluid to top off your reservoir. You don't lose that much, but. All right, so he fished it down here.
So funny.
So we got it right here, clicked in, and you can see it route up through there. You do not want to route it down here next to the headers due to the heat. You want to try and route it up on top.
You also want to make sure that that connection is oriented correctly before sliding it on. It will not go on right.
That's
crooked.
Yep.
Straighten it out and then slide that bad boy on.
Easy peasy, as long as you're a mechanic, unlike me.
We'll see.
Okay, now comes the fun part. He's gonna lower the car, and we are gonna push the clutch 500 times, because that's fun. And I haven't been to the gym yet, so here she is. Okay, so I went to push the pedal. It dropped to the floor like normal. And liquid squirted out all over the place because this guy is not tight. So look, see it spinning here? Pretty sure we have to tighten it.
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna tighten that. The only bad thing is the bottom one's probably the same way. I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, I think I hear a wild Mustang. And it is loud. Okay, so we tightened the fitting. This one is no longer leaking, but the bottom one is leaking because that fitting. How's it going? Not good. Not good? Well, just stupidness.
Little hiccup.
Little hiccup?
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
So is that what the issue is in your opinion?
Yeah.
Okay. So again, guys, I already said it once. This guy was loose. The sketch is done. it before you put fluid in it so you don't lose more fluid?
I don't think we have any fluid left in it.
Oh.
I've got another bottle anyways. Because of the angle of approach this time.
Yeah, I just see you reach in there.
Yeah, you just reached in there and grabbed it. Kinda, yeah. Except, Jose is well lubricated now. That should be you, Dain. I know, yeah.
Just in a giant condom. Oh, yes. Oh, she loves it like that. I wish you'd clean me like that.
So what are you doing now?
A lot of clutch depresses.
Don't worry. This is leg day, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Get that quad.
Dang, dude, look at that calf, though.
Yeah, oh. Muscle car, baby. Okay. They said 100 to 500 times, so I'm just going to keep going. Okay, so now we, and when I say we, I mean Jose, is zip tying the line just to keep it in place so that it never comes close to the headers and gets overly hot.
Do that bracket just so I can run it in that opening.
No, bad Jose, bad.
I'm about to drill a hole.
Oh my toolbox, Jesus. This thing is incredible.
You want the Grand Tour here?
Absolutely. Oh my God. Jeez.
Plus a little light.
Oh yes. This proves one size does not fit all. Why do you have a golf ball? Do I even want to know why you have a golf ball? Okay.
I'm not gonna say on video.
And rip my mount. Nice. It looks stock. OEM.
You won't even see it.
You know you like what's under the hood, ladies.
It's the one and only Digo Dub.
Nobody talking about this guy.
No ladies watch these videos. Doesn't matter. Uh-oh.
Shot clock winding down. Curry's gonna have to put it up, launches it up, shot clock.
Oh, Kobe!
Down! Steph Curry with the shot clock.
Backing up. Backing up.
Backing up, backing up.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be more videos to come. If you have an S550 or an S197 that's got this clutch issue that you watched today, maybe the line is all you need. I was able to talk to Dain about his line, and it turns out that fixed his issue. If your clutch is going straight to the ground and kind of sticking there and you gotta force it up, it could be something more serious, but for him, all it was that line. It was getting too hot, getting squished, and yeah, that was causing the issue. So you replace the line and it's fixed. So this is Andrew for the Bearder Brothers. Until next time, until next Wednesday, have a good one. If you give it a couple strokes, you know, it starts to get stiffer and